Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Marlboro Nissan, we have the 2025 Nissan Rogue Rock Creek, brand new for 2025. Very familiar with the Rogue, so it's kind of cool to see all the little tweaks of the Rock Creek. Let's start. We'll circle back around. The wheels are unique. Wild Peak Trail all-terrain tires. Oh, that is, look at the writing on that. It's just cool. Rock Creek badging there and there. Obviously you have roof racks with Rock Creek there. Boulder gray pearl, gorgeous color. Nissan Rogue's party trick, 90-degree opening rear doors. Kind of Pro 4X color badging, but obviously it is Rock Creek. Plenty of storage out back. Take a quick peek at that. Very nice. Oh yeah. Let's see here. 1.5 liter turbocharged triple, force-fed triple is what I always call this thing. It's a turbocharged 3-cylinder, 201 horse, 225 pound-feet of torque, CVT transmission, $37,925 sticker price. Not too bad considering all that you get. Front fascia completely different. Rock Creek badging, oh, just so cool. New airbag cover, I just noticed. I noticed that as soon as I stepped in, but new airbag. Not bad at all. Oh, it's getting cold. That cold air's coming in. It was 50 degrees, not anymore. Sunglasses, sliding visor, Rock Creek on the seats, downhill descent control. Let's see, what's this one? Off-road. Ooh, off-road cameras like that. Snow, auto, eco, sport. We'll just do auto. Auto's fine. Piano black trim. Really? Actually really nice. I like this. I like it a lot. Obviously a bigger screen is standard on Platinum and stuff like that, but Rock Creek, you get that. Let's go for a drive. There goes the mats. Ooh, bump. Rock Creek. Very familiar with Rogues, driven a absolute ton of them. So I'm curious to see how these all-terrain tires, stuff like that, change the driving experience. And I'm happy to say, so far, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't really change the driving experience. I expected the tires to be very noisy and you get some of that transferred into the cabin. They did a good job mitigating that and making it actually nice to drive. Although on paper you say it's a 3-cylinder, it's got good get up and go. Spent a lot of time with this engine. I'm not opposed to it, not at all. It's actually I prefer it over the 2.5 that they had in it for one model year. It's a lot of torque. I don't know how to tell them, but I think their brake lights are stuck on. I gotta say, there's nothing dramatically different about the driving experience. So there's no compromises with getting the Rock Creek. It works. So you can, I mean, I love the styling. Absolutely love the styling. Yeah, I'm all about it. This might be the best Rogue. I mean, it's not the best, because that goes to the Platinum, but this might be my favorite. It's actually pretty fun to drive. Oh boy. Hello. Hello. Now listen, I've driven in Greece. These are big roads compared to some of the stuff out there, but still, when you're used to driving American roads with huge shoulders and runoffs, this is a little scary. And also, everything in Greece, all the cars are much smaller, even the trucks. Everything is much smaller than what we drive here. So, I mean, I was in a Suzuki Jimny. Ah! All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.